ko. Isa siya sa mga pinaka masaya na naging parte ako nitong tinututukan lang namin dati na morning show kada umaga. Pero I'm super grateful kasi this has opened a lot of opportunities for me. Not just professionally but also personally kasi in my private life, I'm a nobody naman eh. So this has gained me a lot of recognitions. Also, praise from people who I never thought would compliment me in such ways na ikatutuwa ko talaga. And also,
iiyak na. Iiyak na.
Iiyak ka na.
Wait lang. Ito ba yan? Si Mami yung iiyak! Pero, honestly, to wrap it up, it has changed my life in so many ways. I've learned to be more adaptable to other people. Kasi iba-iba kami ng mga pinanggalingan sa buhay. But here we are as a family and even off-cam as what Igan has mentioned. Iba yung connection namin lahat. Iba yung rapport, iba yung friendship on and off-cam, which is so amazing. Kasi hindi siya usually nangyayari pala dito sa industriya nito. Usually after take, hindi na kayo magkakausap. But here, we keep on updating each other even on weekends at talaga namang alam namin yung mga nangyayari sa buhay ng isa't isa. So, I am forever grateful for that.
Okay. From acting to being a live show host of Ramiro, paano yung mga naging adjustment?
Well, surprisingly not much. Kasi I've been training for early morning calls. Kasi just for other people to know, before joining the industry, nasa corporate po ako eh. Flight attendant po ako before, and I was part of I was a hotelier too. So, na-train na po ako sa pagpupuyat, sa paiba-ibang schedule, gising. Kaya naman po nung nag-join ako sa unang hirit, and even dun sa acting po, transitioning from acting to hosting, it didn't really need that much change, transition. It's just a matter of honing my skills as a host. You know?
Last time, hindi mo nami-miss yung acting, lalo na yung mga, of course, just mga BL series, yung mga gano'n, hindi mo nami-miss yun.
Naku, iba yung way na kahit tanungin niyo po sila, mami ko, and even Shira, my partner, sila yung usually nasasabihan ko na nakakamiss umarte. Lalo na kapag nakakanood ka o nakakakita ka ng mga magagandang piyesa, tulad nung recently, Hello Love Again. I was just watching them absorbing every scene nila, Catherine and ni Alden. Tapos, napapatapik talaga ako sa katabi ko, yung mga friends ko kasama na nanonood. Nakakamiss umarte. Nakakamiss umarte. Na parang, if I would be given the chance to act again, I'll make sure to give my very best. And I know I have something in me that will be able to deliver quality performance when I'm given the chance. So, yun. To answer again, sobrang miss ko.
Oo, GMA, ayun na pala sila. GMA picture sa public.
Baka po nanonood po ang mga kataas-taasan.
Is there
I'm willing to do
We're available po.
heavy drama. I've never tried heavy drama, so that's what I'm looking forward to in the future, hopefully.
Thank you, Kalay. Last na lang, ano po, kahit isa mga original talaga na curious lang ako, may time na ba na hindi kayo nagising? Kahit di ba sobrang aga. So may time na ba na hindi kayo nagising? And paano nangyari no? Hindi kayo nakapag-report o wala? Kasi 25 years ang tagal no na
Mangyayari talaga. Siyempre sabi sa akin ni Ate Susan, ikaw yun, Susie. Tapos, tagapanganyake pa ako. Tapos on every time, na syempre every minute, every 5 minutes count in the morning. So kapag na-late ka ng 30 minutes umalis sa bahay mo, ang biyahe na dati, 30 minutes ko lang nakakuha, magiging na siyang halos 1 hour. So minsan papasok ako na sila, oh, pumasok ka pa! Eh kung nasabihin ko, hindi, meron pa kasi akong work din after, may shoot pa after. Otherwise, itutulog ko na lang. Pero may mga opportunities din or may situations din na kunwari, kulang din ng tao sa studio. So kunwari sabihin ko, okay lang ba? It's true, late na ako nagising, baka wala na akong abutan. And then they'll say, can you do the best we can na lang kasi kulang na tao sa studio. So you'll rush to get to work, but it's happened several times.
Guilty rin ako lalo na nung nagsasaksi pa ako. Kasi 2 to 3 hours lang ang tulog mo. And talagang totoo ito. kaya hindi ako nakapunta ng maaga o dahil na late ako, na naginip ako, nag-i-intro na po ako ng unang lyric. So nung nagising ako, ba't ako nandito? Tapos lahat kami nagtatanong ang pag nalate mo, nag-extra 5 minutes ka. Laging gano'n ang batihan namin. Pero yun talagang hindi mo maaaring hindi ka pumasok. Hahanapin. Pero yun nga, is a big challenge sa amin yun. Minsan, yung mga sundo, naliligaw po. Kaya na-delete din yung iba namin kasama, di ba? Mga
Jobs!
Oo, si Andrew po,
Yeah.
That's another story ko na, no?
pag na-late po siya, busog po. Pero yun po, gagawin namin po lahat para maiwasan.
Okay, thank you po. And
Thank you!
Maraming salamat.